Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, August 13th. We do have a cold front moving through the area today. Will be the area of most impactful weather across the whole week, particularly our eastern areas. The chance of severe thunderstorms for today. And then again, we have those scattered showers and thunderstorms not only today, but also into Wednesday with some lingering moisture and instability. Scattered will be more across the Wyoming border for Wednesday. We'll have some brief improvements to smoke today. We do have some bad air quality up in Custer County. We have air quality advisory now through Thursday for Custer County. But again, we'll have some brief improvements to smoke, not only for Custer County early this morning due to those showers and thunderstorms, but particularly for our southern areas. But that will be very short-lived as the wind direction changes. With the cold front kind of moving through and the winds picking up, fires get kicked off just west of Stanley, bring some bad smoke back into the Stanley, Custer County area, and not only there in Custer County, but it looks like it'll spread across our entire area as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday. We'll have some cooler temperatures as well on Tuesday. But that warms back up a little bit on Wednesday, and then we're back to normal as we go into Thursday all the way through next week as far as our temperatures are concerned. We have another system on Thursday, although there's a lot of uncertainty on that as the DFS model is not quite in line as the MBM and European models, but we are going with those two models, the MBM and European, with isolated showers and thunderstorms across the entire area on Thursday. We do turn dry on Friday, and particularly on Saturday. Friday, there's just some lingering showers and thunderstorms across the Montana Divide. But by Saturday, we'll be completely dry, and it looks to be the warmest day with some areas hitting 90 again, maybe just slightly above normal for Saturday. But the rest of the days will all be near normal in that mid to upper 80s for our lower elevations. And we do have some showers returning Sunday, Monday and Tuesday afternoons with some moisture moving up from our south and southerly flow. Not as much maybe on Sunday, just very isolated across the Wyoming border, but a little bit more widespread in the mountains as you move into Monday and Tuesday. Right now we do have some showers and isolated thunderstorms moving through the area ahead of that cold front. The cold front's really in eastern Oregon. That'll move through us as we go into this afternoon and really sparking up a chance for some severe thunderstorms as we go in across our eastern areas. Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms across the entire area, maybe with the exception of Magic Valley today, but the rest all looks isolated Wednesday with the exception of maybe just a few areas in the eastern highlands. And then as we go into Thursday, that next storm system, we do have a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms across the central mountains and isolated pretty much everywhere else. And as I mentioned, we turn pretty much drier Friday and Saturday with just some lingering stuff on the Montana Divide on Friday afternoon. There's that air quality advisory that I mentioned that's for Custer County, not only now all the way through Thursday. Here's a look of where the air quality is this morning as you go 12 a.m. Tuesday. I'll just go through. It actually improves a little bit across Custer County briefly this morning, but as you can see as we get into this afternoon, the cold front hitting, winds pick up, fires get going again, brings in that smoke right into Stanley, Custer County, and then actually behind the front, it actually in the evening into the morning brings it across the rest of our area, degrading the air quality, potentially for air quality advisories may needed elsewhere on Wednesday for other areas, and you can see that continues all the way into Wednesday. Will likely go into Thursday as well as far as that poor air quality. Moving back to thunderstorms today. Some could have the potential of being severe. We have marginal outlook across our eastern areas. So most of the thunderstorms will put out wind gusts of 30 to 40, some with a 50 to 60, particularly as we go in our eastern areas where those severe thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms will actually bring some really larger hail, up to 1 inch, and they are going to bring some good downburst of rainfall, the moderate to heavy rainfall across our eastern areas with those thunderstorms. Here's the best chances for thunderstorms across the area today. We do have that red flag out for scattered showers and thunderstorms, all the pink areas here. And then here's our precip amounts. In general, the most are going to be in across our eastern areas where we're in that excessive rainfall outlook you can see here. And those amounts really are going to be in the quarter to a half inch across the eastern areas. But those stronger thunderstorms are going to produce potentially up to 3/4 of an inch, if not an inch, in some very isolated areas where you have that really strong thunderstorms come across our eastern areas. Today's temperatures are here, 50s, and some 40s this morning. Our afternoon temperatures are going to be the coolest of the week, a couple of degrees below normal. And as we go into Wednesday, we do have a chance of just, far as severe thunderstorms, we're just in the general convective outlook. We're just looking for afternoon thunderstorms. Like I said, it was going to be a little stronger, some scattered across the Wyoming border on Wednesday. And as we go into the precip amounts, overall generally pretty light in that 10th to a quarter of an inch, generally in the 10th as you get a shower and thunderstorm over you. And here's our low temperatures for Wednesday. You can see quite a bit of a cool down, even some 30s in there, and some high mountain areas, but in generally in the 50s. And then our Wednesday temperatures are cool as well, a couple of degrees below normal. Again, that's probably the cool. I said that wrong. Tuesday's not going to be the coolest daytime high. It's going to be Wednesday, and then as you go into Thursday, we have a chance of general showers and thunderstorms across the whole area. With the more scattered coverage is actually going to be in the Central Mountains, as I mentioned earlier. And here's our temperatures as you go into Thursday. And then as you go into Thursday does bring us back to near normal. And then Friday, here's your morning temperatures. And then your afternoon, again, you're near normal. And your looks like Saturday's probably going to be the warmest with some areas hitting 90s. I don't have that on here. But as a quick recap, actually, I'll just go ahead and show you the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlooks. Looks like we're going to be above normal on temperatures and precip in that 6 to 10 day outlook. But as we go into the 8 to 14, we do look like we're going to be above normal, continuing on the temperatures and near normal on the precip. So just as a recap, we do have that strong cold front moving through today and lingers into Wednesday, but the bigger impacts will be today. With the scattered showers and thunderstorms with a chance of severe thunderstorms, particularly across our eastern areas. And the next system is going to move through us on Thursday with a little uncertainty with that system, but generally isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. And then we do get a drying trend as we go Friday into Saturday with near normal temperatures, with Saturday being the warmest. And then we do get a return of some afternoon thunderstorms as we go into Sunday through Tuesday, with Monday and Tuesday being a little bit stronger than Sunday. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thanks.